Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Bike Lock Cable. Number 5. Ideal UX Bike Lock Cable, 4 feet resettable cable lock. Convenient, this small bike lock is lightweight, perfect for the small backpack or handbag. Plus it is super easy to set and reset combination. Convenient, this small bike lock is lightweight, perfect for the small backpack or handbag. Plus it is super easy to set and reset combination. Multi-purpose, this lightweight bike lock is perfect for securing your bike as well as locking up items around the house, the garage. Weatherproof, the PVC coating helps prevent scratching and make the lock cable stand up to the toughest environments. 100% guaranteed satisfaction. Ideal UX is committed to handling all issues related to products and services and is committed to providing all customers with a 5-star shopping experience. Number 4. Puroma 5-digit combination bike cable lock mounting bracket. Secure and resettable, 5-digit resettable combo bike lock offers 100,000 combinations for adding security compared to 4-digit combination lock. Compact in size, self-coiling feature keeps it compact. Bonus, package comes with a mounting bracket for handy carry. Heavy-duty structure, high-performance PVC coating prevents scratching, flexible steel cable with high strength and high tenacity for strong cut resistance. Flexible and widely used, 1.5 meters, long x 1/2, 12 millimeters, diameter long enough to get around bicycles. Number 3. Aduro Sport Bike Lock Cable, Bicycle Master Cable Lock with 4-digit. Easy install, Aduro long combination bike lock comes with a free frame mount, and it is compatible with a road bike, mountain bike. High security, we designed Aduro lightweight bicycle lock with a high-strength braided wire wrapped with PVC material which can withstand high tension. Master lock design. Aduro Bike Master Cable Locks with resettable 4-digit combination master lock, lets you set your personalized number combination. Aduro Bike Master Lock Combination Cable Lock is multi-purpose, you can use it for skateboards, grills, stroller lock, scooter lock. Aduro backs this bike chain lock with a lifetime no-hassle guarantee. If you ever have any issues with it, Aduro will either replace it or issue you a full refund. Number 2. Bike Locks Cable 4 feet coiled secure resettable combination bike cable lock. Easy to set combination, 4-digit combination locking mechanisms for keyless convenience with a free mounting bracket for easy transportation. Resettable, easy to set your own personalized number combination. Multi-purpose, ideal for bicycles, skateboards, gates and fences, grills and lawnmowers, sports equipment, toolboxes and ladders. Good performance cable, flexible steel cables for strong cut resistance and PVC coating helps prevent scratching and keeping more durable. Note for winter bikers, when below 20-25 degrees, cable gets stiff and hard to bend. Number 1. Bike Motorbike Combination Cable Lock Anti-Thief Security 4 digits Lock Cycling Lock Bicycle. Product description, brand new bicycle combination lock. 4-digit code. Easy to use. Tough 20 mm thick steel wiring. High quality steel cable. prevents from being cut off. Suitable for locking up bicycle. Moped product description: brand new bicycle combination lock. 4-digit code.